So let's take a look at index law 6. Now index law 6 is very, very similar to index law 5, but instead of multiplication, we're going to be looking at division. So a divided by b, brackets, to the power of m, is equal to a to the m over b to the m. Or putting it more simply, the top divided by the bottom is equal to the top to the power of m divided by the bottom to the power of m. Okay, so a few quick examples. Simplest to start us off with, x divided by y, all to the power of 4. That's going to be the same as x to the 4 divided by y to the 4. Now, if this feels a little bit like deja vu, it probably does, because if you look at my first example from index law 5, that was x times y to the power of 3, and then we did x to the 3, y to the 3. Index law 6, x divided by y to the power of 4, x to the 4 divided by y to the 4. They're the same kind of rule, but we're just using multiplication instead of division. Another example. So I've combined a few ideas in this one. 3 divided by x squared all to the power of 4. Now, that's going to be the top to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4, divided by x squared to the power of 4. And you should remember that index law 4 will tell you that x squared to the power of 4 is going to be x to the power of 2 times 4. So what we end up with is 3 to the power of 4 on your calculator, 81, over x to the 2 times 4, which is x to the 8. Alright, so an example there of combining a couple of laws here. Alright, just trying to push this question to its sort of limit. This is a combination of index laws 4, 5, and 6. 2x to the power of 3 over 3y to the power of 3. Now we've got to do the top first. So that's going to be 2 to the power of 3, but it's also going to be x to the power of 3. Because these are in brackets and they're both being raised to the power of 3. So that's going to be 2 to the power of 3 and x to the power of 3. And then on the bottom, the same thing is going to happen. It's going to be 3 to the power of 3. And it's going to be y to the power of 3 to the power of 3. That's going to be y 3 times 3. And then I can just do some more maths here. 2 to the power of 3, that's going to be 2, 4, 8. X cubed over 3 to the 3, which is going to be 27. Y to the 3 times 3, which is going to be y to the 9. Okay, so you can see that all of your index laws start to work in conjunction so that you can solve some slightly more complicated questions as time goes on. All right.